Hey guys, today we will be making healthy and delicious chocolate chip cookies. To start off, you will need 3 ripe bananas and then we will mash them. After mashing it, I will add 1 egg and then use a whisk to mix it. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of white sugar. Next, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the last wet ingredient, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of milk. Next, I added 1 cup of wheat flour and 1 cup of almond flour. If you need to, feel free to add a little bit more flour, or if it's too stiff, you can add a little bit of milk to loosen it up. A little into the process, I recommend switching to a spatula just because it's easier than a whisk because the flour can get stuck in the whisk. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Finally, you can add half a cup of add-ins. I use 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips and 1/4 of a cup of walnuts, but other options include pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, toffee chunks, caramel, dried fruit, and many more. Now that I have my cookie dough, I'll be putting it in the fridge for about 45 minutes and then baking it. So this is my cookie dough. I will now grease 2 baking sheets. This makes about 15 cookies, and they spread a decent amount, so plan accordingly. And then spoon about 1½ tablespoons of cookie dough onto your prepared baking tray. Now, I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven. It's about 15 to 20 minutes later, and here are my cookies. They are incredible, and they're tasty, and they're healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.